Most people think that you need a sales team or a call center to grow a business. But what if I told you this AI can answer phone calls, qualifies leads, books appointments, and even closes deals? I just set this up for one of my clients and I want to show you how it all works. And then I want to show you how you can set it up yourself. Like the video, drop a comment if you want access to the full setup. Let's get straight into this. Okay, so this AI system I've actually set up is for a cleaning company in Harrogate, which is in the UK. I'm gonna go ahead and actually ring this number right now. This is the AI agent's number, and I'm gonna show you guys how it handles the call in real time. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on call, and I'll put it on speaker for you guys.
Hi, thanks for calling Brightness Cleaning. What type of clean are you after today? For example, a flat clean, carpet clean, or end of tenancy?
Hey, I'm just looking to get a quote for a deep clean in Harrogate, please.
I can help with that. Could you please provide your postcode so I can check availability in your area? Thanks. And just to confirm, what's your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Patel.
All right, Mohammed. Would you prefer a weekday or weekend clean?
Do you have anything? Yeah, weekday, please. Yeah.
Great choice. We have a slot open on Thursday at 6 p.m. Would you like me to book that in for you?
Yes, please. Yeah, that's perfect.
Before I finalize the booking, I'll need your email address to send you the confirmation details. Could you please provide it?
Yeah,
I've booked your appointment for Thursday at 6 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation via email shortly.
What do you guys normally charge, and do I need to be home when the cleaners arrive?
Pricing depends on the type of clean, property size, and location. A team member will confirm a quote after your booking request. As for being home, it's helpful but not required. As long as we have access, we can clean while you're out. Anything else you'd like to know?
No, that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah.
You're welcome, Mohammed. Thanks for calling Brightness Cleaning. Your request has been submitted, and a team member will be in touch shortly. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.
Now, how flipping cool is that? And just like that, it took the call, it asked the right questions, it even offered a time, and it drops that lead into the calendar. No reception, no delay. It's going to be a lot more easier for that customer to actually book an appointment now, and it's fully automated. Now, imagine showing that to a local business and saying, I can build this for you. And that is exactly what I teach in my course. Okay, really quickly, if you want everything pre-built, listen up. I'm talking fully ready-made websites that are already designed for you, the exact client bidding scripts that I use, the entire backend, all the automations built out for you, follow-ups, onboarding, already built, already tested, and already proven. You can import it all into your account in one click and you will be ready to go. This setup isn't just working for me. It's working for students who have never coded before, never sold before, and they still landed clients. And I have partnered up directly with GoHighLevel to offer you a completely free extended 30-day trial to the software instead of the normal 14 days. There are no contracts, there is no risk, and you can cancel at any time. Just go to winwithsas.com or click the first link in the description and I will walk you through everything step by step. How to launch, how to get your first client, and turn this into a real monthly income. The system is built. All that is left is you. Okay, now I'm going to actually show you how I built all of this. And trust me, it is a lot easier than you think. Okay, so first things first, you need to be on the GoHighLevel software. Once you are on here, you want to click on AI agents. If you don't see the option here, you can just click on where it says settings. And then if you scroll down to voice AI agents, there is some other AI stuff, but this video is just going to be the voice AI. And then you're going to click on create agent. And here you're going to be able to actually give that agent a name. So for this example I just showed you now, I gave it the name Lucy, but you can call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to go ahead and call this Chloe. For business name, you're going to put the name of the business. So for me, it's going to be Brightness Cleaning. Voice, now you can actually play around with the voice. If you want a male voice, you want a female voice, you can do that. They have some options, like if you wanted a young Australian female, you click on play.
In a small town nestled between the rolling hills and a dense, ancient forest, there lived a cat named Whiskers.
So that's just obviously how the voice sounds, but you can change it to whichever one you want. Same for time zone. Like if you're setting this up for someone in a different country, and obviously you want that to correlate with the calendar. You will obviously map that properly. You want this is going to be inbound calls, so this currently isn't a thing. So very soon, high level is going to actually be able to make calls to people. Right now, I obviously call the AI, but very soon the AI is going to actually be able to make calls out to people. Now, agent's initial message, you can type this out yourself. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I just use ChatGPT. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to drop in my client's website link over here. So I pasted the link and I said, learn everything about this business, then tell me an opening line and prompt for a voice AI agent. It should have a common, frequent, ask questions, fast, not too salesy, friendly, and gets the job done extremely well. Now, what ChatGPT is going to do is actually crawl all that information off that website. And as you can see now, we've got an opening line and we've also got a prompt line too. So what you're going to do is you're going to paste the opening line over here. I'm not going to do this for the sake of this demo, but you'll paste that wherever ChatGPT gives you over here. You'll click on next. Now for knowledge base, so what you'll do over here is I'll click on create new knowledge base, and I'm going to call this a demo for video. Now what you want to do over here is if your client has a website, you can drop that in high level. And what high level will do is go on that website, basically learn everything about them, all the services, their pricing, their opening hours, all of their information on there, and it will remember that. So whenever a customer actually calls, the AI knows so much more than the business, right? So much more of the business. So you'll go to web crawler, you'll add a source, and then you'll add in a web crawler, and then you'll just paste the link of your client's website in here, and then extract data, and it will learn all of that. And there's one more thing that we need to actually do. We need to grab a phone number. This is where the AI is going to be attached to. So obviously the AI needs a number to actually receive calls. So you can get all of this through high level too. You'll add a number, and then you can choose whichever country. I'm in the UK, so I'll obviously be grabbing a UK number, but you can grab whichever country as needed. And I'm going to grab a mobile number so we can actually send SMS to, but you can grab a landline if you want to as well. And then you'll obviously get that, and then you'll be able to map that to the AI. So I'll show you how to map it as well. So to actually map that number to the AI, you'll go to where it says phone and availability, and then you're going to be able to choose the number from this drop down list. And that is pretty much how you set it up. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to set it up. And there you go. Like, that is literally how to set up the voice AI. It took me less than 10 minutes, and that business is now got basically another full-time free employee technically. And there's no coding involved. You don't need to go out and hire a developer. It's literally just go high level and a bit of setup, but ChatGPT does all the hard bit for you. So how do you actually get businesses to pay for this? I started by just messaging local businesses on Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business, literally walk in and just show demos. You're going to get rejected. Of course, people are going to turn you down, but it's going to take one yes to change everything, literally. And that's how I got my first few clients, by just offering something real that solves a problem. So everything I showed in this video, the system, the scripts, the setup, I give it away inside my free course. You'll get all the templates, all the backend automations and calendars built out. I'll even give you the client winning scripts that I used that have worked for me and many other students. And I help you personally if you get stuck. If this video opened your eyes and you want to copy the system, the link is in the description. Activate your GoHighLevel account and message me. Let me connect with you, and I'll literally help you build the exact same setup.